So now let's take a look at the object fitting options inside of Adobe InCopy. So to work with object fitting options, we'll go to object right here, and here you can see that there's fitting option. So if I were to select the frame right here for this particular image, I'm just going to go around and select the frame, and I'm going to go to object, and you get the fitting options over here. So in the fitting options, you can fill frame proportionately right here, and it fills out the entire frame, as you can see, just like that. You can also go over here onto the fitting and fit content proportionately. So what that does is it actually fits out the content. So let me just resize the frame out just like this and see how that looks like. So fit frame proportionately, what happens is that it stretches out the image. It does not distort out the image, but crops the image according to the frame, just like that. So it fits out from left to right or top to bottom, just like that. You can also go around here, fit content proportionately. What that does is it fits out the image onto the frame size without distorting it, just like that. So over here in fitting, you can fit content to the frame as well. So that means it distorts it proportionately, as you can see. So it does not just crop it out, but it fits out the image to the entire frame, just like that when you select out fill content. And if you were to do center content, what happens is that the image is brought down to the center. So here my image is on to the left side, so I can just go around into object, and then I can go over here on to fitting, and then I can fit the content, that is centered out the content, and you can see that this is the frame and the content is right at the center. So that is how object fitting works out in Adobe InCopy. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.